Welcome guys, we're playing the level like you guys wanted us to. We're gonna be playing it.
The level?
Well, not the level, we're playing the game. Let's go, run.
Let's not go.
Wait, what did this say? Back guy out. Bro, come over here. Where are you? We're in a public right now, there's no private codes yet. Let's go. What? Where? I hear that. That sounds nice. I don't know. Where? Me? There's no monster. I'm gonna have to leave and rejoin. It's glitching. I joined another public before this. Alright, we'll leave and rejoin real quick. Guys, if you want to play this, download Monkey Horror 2 or just search up the game name. Fun Monkey Horror 2, please, we really want to be mods. Servers. Server 5. Once I get a PC, I'm gonna make a game. We're gonna make a game. Jax, where are you? Run, bro. There. Oh, okay! Oh, behind you! Behind you, bro! Behind you! It's on you!
Behind me.
Monkey. It's so cool! Behind you, bro! Jax, it's on you! Look behind you! He's scared. My hand! Stuck! Which way did he turn? Did he die?
Our monster's not here. Someone's attracting it.
Run! You there? William. I'm on. Help me. I can't get in here.
Open.
Help me.
I'm sorry, I don't know where my
Open it,
monster is.
please.
Oh, please, open the door for me.
Open it. Open it. Yes. I'm recording right now. We're recording. We're recording a video. Behind you guys. Broski, I just sped. No, bro. Don't be desperate. Oh, monkey. I had to test out the jump scare.
My monster is someone
there.
else, like somewhere else. My monster. Yeah. I know. I saw that.
Where's my monster at? There's mine. Mine's right there. Fall in them.
Someone's luring my monster away, basically.
On you is my monster.
We all can see him at the same time.
Monkey. Behind you guys.
Right there.
Behind you and you is my monster. No, don't!
Oh, RTS. Join the...
Monkey. Wait, let me go down here.
We have each other's monsters.
That sounded like... Oh! My God. No. Guys. I made it! Yes, I closed the door.
RTS, I see it.
Guys, I'm going fast mode. Jax.
Hi. Hi, buddy. The monster's right there.
Is Is he on me?
Help.
Is he on me?
I heard him.
Who's he on?
He's on Jax. My monster's on Jax. And Jax's monster is on mine.
Okay.
This is what you get for stealing my monster.
Behind you, Jax. There's no monster.
Monster's up here, isn't it?
Move, William. I'm gonna take his. Jax, I'm gonna take. Jax. I know. Let's hug. Let's hug.
He's right on you.
No, William, don't take it.
Help me! Help! I'm stuck. He's on William and you.
Run! Kill Jax! Kill Jax VR! Kill Jax VR! Behind you! My monster! My monster! Monkey! My monster's on you! My monster's on you, Jax. That's yours! Wait, that's yours too! Oh, what the shit! Oh! Monkey! 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 My monster! Our monsters, you mean? Monkey, it's on you! No!
Right, where are you?
Monster! Oh! Ankles! I'm cooked! Oh! What's this?
Wait, who said I was home?
Me. Just kidding. Help me, please! Save me!
William!
Open the door! Someone open the door! Please help me!
William, don't you dare! William, don't you dare!
Please open the door! I need help! Please! Yes! No! Yes! Thank you. My monster! It's on you, William! My monster's on you! William! Please don't! Jax, behind you! Jax, my monster! Oh no! Oh, behind you! No! My monster! One hand style! William! No!
Take my damn monster away from there!
My monster's in the same place as you.
Monster! Monster! Don't kill me!
My monster!
William, no! Come back here! He's behind you! Monkey! No, my hand! It's stuck again! Help me, please! Help me, I'm stuck! Please! I want my family!
Where's my monster?
Let me see my family! Please! I need my family!
Took me with
Lion
her.
right behind you!
I can't reach it! My hand was stuck!
That's my monster. Mr. Monster, what are you doing?
I can't find my monster.
Oh, my monster. Jax, let me have my monster. TVR, behind you. Our monster's behind you.
I can't see your monster anymore. It's sad, bro. It's supposed to be KTVR too.
Can you stop? William, can you stop? TVR. TVR.
Don't take it from me. I'm gonna get some payback.
Wait, where is it? Where is it?
Don't take it.
Oh no. JK has it. JT.
He's coming.
Hug, bro, please. I really want to hug. I'm sad.
He's not on you anymore.
Open literally oh my god, that's not
Monster on you, Ham. My monster's on you.
I don't see my monster.
Jukes! Ankle.
I died.
Stop closing the door, bro. Stop closing the door.
The monster must be dead.
Back Guyot? Who's back Guyot?
William, please stay away from me.
Get him! Yes, we got him.
I got him.
He's gonna break his controller. He
got
just
him.
threw his controller. We got him, William.
Guys,
My monster might cook me.
what's in here? Why are there so many dang bodies?
Let's go. Wait, no, William! William! Yay, William! My besto friendo.
Where should we go?
Where's your
Guys,
monster?
go back. Go
Come on.
stay away from me.
Mine
Don't
likes
stay
to hang
away-
around
stay
spawn.
away from me. TBR, stay away from me. Where's
Go to
Spawn?
him. Go to him.
Stay away from me.
William! I thought I would never see William again.
Don't wait. I got it.
TBR, he's right on.
Who's?
He's not on here anymore. He's on the no-namer.
Let me take.
Now he's on the
Yeah, steal that. He just died.
Now he's on TVR.
Walked him.
Oh, okay, so he's safe.
Oh, what the sick ball? Give me my monster back. Give me my monster back, William. William. William, where are you? I need my monster back. Oh wait, where's William? William, I need my monster back. Thank you. Run, no, William! Are you okay, William?
He's also my monster.
William! Oh wait, no.
William, are you that's right? That's not. William, can I touch you?
My monster! I need my monster. Stop, bro. You're gonna get us canceled. What? Oh, monkey! Okay, I'm gonna wipe some sweat off my face and make Jack's VR look like a disgrace. William! William!
Did you braid it dead? Because if you didn't, I'ma have to.
Ah! My channel's kid appropriate! Oh no.
Why? Is there a dead body right
Yeah, there is. But my channel's kid appropriate
Oh,
and I'm
wow.
recording right now. If you do that, I might get canceled. What are you doing to the dead body, bro? That's inappropriate.
I literally did it so hard that I bounced back. Oh shoot, that's my monster. Hey, stop! Stop it! He's right here.
Hug, bro, hug. Hug, bro. William, don't you want to hug?
That's it.
William, did you like the hug?
Yeah.
William, stop
What you
it!
gonna do?
Stop it! We're gonna get canceled!
No, we're not. We can't get
Oh yeah.
What are you
And my
doing,
monster
bro?
man.
He's giving him a hug. Let's just say that.
Okay.
Well, guys, we're gonna end the video here because we don't want to get canceled by William.
I'm the owner.
Subscribe, you monkeys.